Okay, hello Neeta ma'am and IBDP team. This is the demo for the IBDP report card. So this is the simple report card which I'm gonna demonstrate right now. Obviously you should ignore this part because as we discussed, we're going to have the title page, first page, second page we're going to have student details and other details, logo and everything. So as of now just ignore the start part. We can just directly start from here from the table. Summary of achievements. Here is a report for the semester 1 and semester 2. Similarly, 3 and 4 can be created, and these are the core comments for the TOK, EE, CAS and other subjects. And this is the semester 2 detailed reports per subject. So per subject, WA, IA, WM, these all would be calculated absolutely automatically. We get the comments and all these things. So this report will be generated along with the digital signatures. So we can generate this report. Well, so this is EduCloud. We're going to use this. We're going to create various classes. Currently, we have created this DP class. So that is DP year 1. So my classes are getting loaded. So here I have this diploma year 1 is a class, and these are the subjects. All subjects are in red, means these are the optional subjects. We can have the HL and SL and all the combination of subjects there. So that's there, and from here we get started. Well, so let's go back to the report studio and let me search for DP. So this is my DP diploma report. Let me start generating report card. Click here, and the first step is create the. So I just clicked on create new report. I select my class diploma year 1 and create a report. Blank report is generated. Here I can give the whatever name I want to do. IBDP, report 1. Well, so that is the name we're gonna provide right now. Just click on save, and now let's just skip this other part and directly to the part. Just I wanted to show you the demonstrate, like the empty report would be generated, and as and when we move forward, the report generated with the details. So currently everything is empty data. Report card has been generated. Now let's go to the report and start. Clicked on currently in a preview. Now let's go back to the configurations and start preparing the report. Any date of the report card, let's say April 1st. Okay. Skip the third part, optional logo. Let's directly go to the fourth part, report card. So here, let's say I select Hindi and economics, and 2 subjects has been created, and now the exam type. So this is maybe, let's say report card. So select semester 1. If I wanted to have semester 2 together, then I select semester 2. Okay. So just say semester 1. Under semester 1 we have no exam for Hindi and no exam economics. Okay. Okay, so do I need to select the same type or different type? The exams are, because I can see here.
The component exams are there.
The exams are there. Okay. Anyway, so we can do this. We can see there's some exams here. Anyway, now the okay, exam type. This is semester 2. Basically, semester 2. I have the Hindi and SL. Okay, and now just click on update. Let's see what happened. So now I go to the preview and click on first student Supriya Sawant and download the report, and yes, I got this Hindi SL and their achieve grade for semester 1, achieve grade for semester 2, and then Indian equivalent percentage. If you don't give a semester 2, let's say, let me go there, let me give the configurations, and I just remove the semester 2. Okay, I don't want, just click on update. And now let me go to the preview report and report Supriya, download, and here if you see, I do not get the marks for the semester equivalent percentage conversions. Okay, well now let's just focus here. So it automatically get the IA, WM, IM and other things. So now let's see the structures, how we do the data entry for these things. Okay, so go back here and let's go to the exam dashboard. and let me filter the exams based on, let's say, diploma year 1 and subject is Hindi and such. Okay, well, so I have let's say Hindi. This is a component exam. Under that I have paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 and IA is there. Now if I say edit, I will get the details. If you see here, paper 30 marks, weightage is 25, paper 2 is 40 mark, weightage is 25, so on and so forth, and that could have a different dates. Everything is, make the necessary changes. I can change the weightage, I can change the total mark, I can change the name here, I can change the date here, and that the way it will work. Let me just click on close here and directly go to the results. If I just click on result here, okay, and here the result for paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 and paper 4. So if I clicked on paper 1, and I can make the data entry and just clicked on calculate and the percentage for the paper 1. Sit for paper 2, paper 3 and IA. And now if I just clicked on the final exam, this is Hindi 1, just clicked on, which is a semester 1, okay, I just clicked on, I can see everything, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, and their percentage would be calculated here into the percentage. If I just say calculate, the summation of everything would be calculated, and if the proper grade boundary has been given, then it will become here as a grade as well, and I can see the calculation details. If you clicked here, the Hindi component 1 is 100%, then I is 25, paper 3 is 25, 2 is 25, 1 is 25. I can change the ratio. This is just for an example. Change the ratio like 30, 40, 10, 15, whatever we want. Okay, well, just click close here, and calculations we get it here in the report card, and this things has been calculated. The teacher's names comes here, teacher Manali, we can change the name, and the comments. So this comment is coming from
Result by class.
FA results by
Result by class.
oh, so that's a comment entry, right? Data entry. How to do data entry for the comment? So for that, go to the exam, okay, and I just go to the FA result by class. Here I have something called subject comments, and I can select any subject, any term. So I can select semester 1, 2, 3. Here we have name is term 1, 2, 3, but we can have semester 1, 2, 3, 4. I can select the subject, let's say Hindi. Oh, sorry, so I need to select the class diploma. Okay, and I need to select subject, let's say Hindi. Just say so, and I can have the comment here. If I say economics, I can have comments here. Okay, and I should have a, okay, without term, maybe I can have these things as well, without term as well and with term as well. Ideally we should use. So that's that, and we can have a data entry here. So that's about this data entry for each subject. Okay, there's another way which we can get it. If you wanted to get this comment examinations, so let's say here, let me go to the examinations where exam result, and let me select this diploma. Okay, and if I select the let's say Hindi and just a search, no, without date range even it should come. Just select on search. Okay, here yeah, economics, let's say economics is there. Okay, if I clicked on detail and if I clicked on result, so here I can add the comments. We can pick it up from here as well, but as of now the developer has done some other alternative arrangement where for each subjects you can make the data entry for the comments, and we can pick it up from there, where from we can pick up the comment. So that is there here in data entry. So we are here, we can have a, so similarly we can make the data entry for each subjects and get the comments here as well, right? So this is comfortable to you, your teachers. We can use that way to make the data entry. Well, back to the report part there. Okay, and now the grade boundaries picked up automatically boundaries. So if I go to exam, click on grade boundary, here I have a various different grade boundary for each subjects. Like Hindi, I have the grade boundary. I can change the grades the way I want with the limits, and according the entire will happen absolutely automatic. So that's the way the grade would be created. This is the report card. The way we can generate the report card, absolute way of creating report card. Where here? Okay, and we can log the report card. We can publish. We can download all, if I click on download all, you know, the Excels for sorry, not Excel, PDF for all the students will be downloaded in just one go. Okay, and last but not least, Excel results. If I just click on Excel results, Excel sheet would be downloaded, and that Excel sheet is like this way. Like, you know, Hindi SL, the paper 1, paper 2, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, all the total marks, HU marks, comments, and similarly economics, and then master set. Here mastering is there, and I can get the final percentage as well. Okay, and we can extend this Excel generation as well. So this is the way this entire report card would be generated. Fill up with your question, queries, and I hope the main two part you understood how to make the data entry. And this is absolutely a demo, just to confidence report card could be generated. And I hope your requirement, whatever the requirement we have discussed, you have given to us, is matching here, and we can similar line we're going to deliver. Thank you team. Bye. Thanks for the time for this demo. Have a great day.